guys, and welcome to Overland NZ. You join me in Cooper Tyres in Petone. Today, I'm finally getting some new wheels and tyres fitted up to the Hilux. If you've seen my previous video, you'll know that I managed to get a big puncture in the back tyre, and these things are finished. So I've got some sweet as new rims lined up and some of the sweet new MAXXIS AT811s. So I can't wait to see what they look like on the truck. Let's get going.
Hi, I'm Jack from Cooper Tyres Petone, and we're here today to put these MAXXIS RAZR AT811s onto this Toyota Hilux. So here at Cooper Tyres, we do everything to do a four-wheel drive. So we do bull bars, snorkels, lift kits, wheels, tyres, pretty much anything you need.
So, the old AT versus MT debate. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I'm not the biggest fan of mud tyres, just because we do a lot of highway Ks, and the AT is just much nicer on the road. The RAZR MT though is known to be super quiet, so it was a real hard choice between these two tyres. So I thought the AT has just come out this year, and I'm super keen to give it a go and see how it performs. It looks cool, and it's still got nice big chunky sidewalls and stuff, and it's hopefully, you know, just a little bit quieter than the mud tyre. So I've made the decision to go from Steelies, which I've been running for the last 5 years or so on all my different vehicles, to my first set of off-road alloys. I know that people have very strong opinions when it comes to the Steely versus alloy debate, but I've decided to go back to alloys, as this setup here weighs far less than this, which should help with my fuel economy and performance. And off-road alloys have come a really, really long way in the last 10-15 years, and these here have a higher load rating than these, and should be just as strong. I've never had an issue with rims, I've never dented one of these, so I'm not too worried about not being able to repair these on the side of the track. I've got a spare, that's what it's for. Alright, so I've got my trusty suitcase scales here, and we're going to do a real quick comparison between a alloy and a Steely and how much they weigh. So, start with the alloy. On. So that comes in at 12.5 kgs for a 17x9 alloy. And the Steely, which is basically what we've been running for the last couple of years, comes in at 17.1. So that's, put that down carefully. So that's, you know, 20 kgs for all four wheels. Doesn't sound like a lot, but when it's unsprung weight, it all adds up real quickly and makes a massive difference to how the vehicle handles on and off-road. Look at that rubbish tyre.
So 3 pro tips to get the most out of your tyres. Definitely keep up with your alignments and your rotations, probably every 10,000 Ks or so, and definitely keep on top of your pressure checks.
So I'm super stoked. We've got the new wheels and the new tyres on. They're a Sniper Ballistic 17x9 off-road alloy with a 265 70 R17 MAXXIS RAZR AT811, and the combo looks mint. I want to give a massive shout out to the guys at Cooper Tyres in Petone for sussing the wheels and tyres out at such short notice. I'm off on a trip in 2 days. Once again, I'm cutting the whole thing pretty fine. Seem to be making a habit of that. Yeah, if you need bull bars, wheels, snorkels, suspension lift kits, tyres obviously, wheel alignments, these guys can suss you out super quick and get you back on the road and out there exploring New Zealand.